Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this Babyltrl Wok pan. Yeah, the listing on Amazon says 13 inches woks and stir-fried pan, carbon steel wok with wooden handle and lid, 6 cookware accessories, flat bottom pan, suits all for all stoves. Yeah, it's usually listed for around $44, currently $36 with Prime days. You can even apply $2 extra coupon. Has pretty good reviews. So the question is it really good or is it not so good? So I bought this a couple of days ago and used it yesterday for the first time, and I'm heavily disappointed at this point, so I'm going to show you why. So this is the lid, what you get. I have really no clue what this is. When I picked this up the first time, I thought it's just cardboard or I don't know, plastic or so. I've never seen wood so lightweight. If it's really wood, then it's something like which they use for model planes or so. I've really no clue if this is really wood. For me, it doesn't look like normal wood. I mean, it's definitely not very solid. You can, when you push it, when you squeeze it, you can almost squeeze the wood. I don't know what it is, but I mean, it would be good insulation, so I'm not complaining too much about that. But here comes my biggest complaint. You can see already how this thing looks after first time usage. There's somehow almost some coating coming off. It has some discoloration here on the side. You can see definitely heavy scratches, and we haven't been using any kind of metal objects. We have just been using this plastic spatula, and you can see really parts coming off here, and I'm definitely not very convinced about this thing. I also don't know if this is really coated, because yeah, it is not really non-sticking, or so you really have to use a lot of grease or oil, and you can maybe prevent most of the sticking, but we haven't been managing to avoid all this sticking here. We have been cooking some chicken and it was sticking. I mean, not extremely, but it was definitely sticking. So it's not like a non-stick coating, definitely not. It's rather thin. I mean, I'm not complaining, these things are rather thin. One of the big complaints is also the bottom. I mean, they call the bottom flat, and when you have it like this, when it's cold, yeah, it's pretty flat. But when you start heating the thing up, it gets very like shaky, wobbly. It's absolutely not flat anymore. I mean, if you want to have a flat pan, you would need something that I work on with a machine and have a really thick bottom. You can see the things, something like that will never be really flat. This is from like 50 or 100 years ago. The only good thing is, what I like is this handle here. Yeah, it came apart, I mean, in two different parts in the box, and it was very easy to apply, and you can always secure the thing again, so it's not like with other pans where they get loose and then they almost fall off or so. This looks really sturdy. You can see this here and here. I think this will be very safe and secured for long time. This is one of the positive things. By the way, the box is like this, very simple box. I hope you can see that. It's a little bit large, of course, but it's a very dirty, simple box. It's nothing really fancy which you can make like as a gift or so. Doesn't look really good. And then the accessories, all these spatulas, everything, this is super dirt cheap, probably the cheapest material which you can get. If you put this in a dishwasher, yeah, don't expect too long of a lifetime. Probably pretty short, it will start to rust. This is more like a toy here. You can see, I mean, the weight of this thing. This is incredible cheap and thin, and yeah, I wouldn't expect too long of a lifetime out of this thing. So most of it really absolutely disappointing for me. I mean, yeah, for me it's just not working, and I can definitely not recommend to buy this. But if you want to know exactly which one it is, I still put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and make sure that you don't buy this thing here. And yeah, that's it for now. I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.